If the thought of moving feels completely overwhelming, you're not alone. Maybe you're lying awake at night going over every detail in your head. How am I ever going to pack all of this stuff? What if I let go of something that I end up regretting? And how can I possibly get everything done in time? Or maybe you walk into a room, look around, and you just want to shut the door because you have no idea where to start. I want you to know something. It doesn't have to feel this way. Hi, I'm Sheila, and I'm a downsizing mentor. I help people who are going through major life transitions declutter their homes and their minds so they can move forward with less stress and more peace. I am a decluttering expert, a home stager, and a certified coach. But more importantly than any of that, I am someone who has been where you are. I've faced 10 moves in 10 years. I know what it's like to move across town, across the country, across an international border, and back again. We DIY'd all of those moves. We never used a moving company. And all of those moves involved multiple children, including children with special needs. So I know what it's like to move when you have a lot on your plate. I've felt the exhaustion of packing at 2 a.m. I've felt the guilt of letting go of things that I thought I would always keep. And I've felt the stress of juggling a move on top of everything else when life just didn't seem to slow down. As a downsizing mentor, I've helped countless people who tell me the same thing. Sheila, I'm overwhelmed. I don't even know where to start. So if you've ever felt that way, you're in the right place. And while I never expected to move 10 times in 10 years, I learned a lot in the process. I learned that moving is not just about logistics. It's about so much more than boxes and bubble wrap. It's also deeply emotional. There's the fear of making the wrong decisions, the stress of the endless to-do lists and the tight timelines, the guilt over letting go of family treasures that you thought you would be able to keep, and the overwhelm of trying to figure out where to even start. And for so many of us, it's the constant pressure of trying to hold it all together while we take care of everyone else. No wonder it feels like too much. But here's the thing. You don't have to do this alone. That's why I created the Decluttered Move, a step-by-step course designed to help you declutter, pack, plan, and prepare for your move without the overwhelm. Inside the course, I'll guide you through how to pack and plan for your move so that you stay ahead of the game and avoid that last-minute scramble. How to declutter without guilt, even when those emotions get heavy. How to stage your home beautifully so that it shows in the best possible light if you have a house to sell. And most importantly, how to stay calm and grounded even when it feels like everything around you is so chaotic. This isn't just another moving checklist. It's about making room for what matters, so that you can step into your next chapter with confidence. Let me give you a quick example. One of my clients was a woman who had lived in her home for decades, and suddenly she needed to downsize to a much smaller place, a condo. She told me, Sheila, I feel so stuck. When I look at this stuff, I have no idea where to start. I don't know what to donate, what to sell, what to keep, what to get rid of. And when I look at the piles, all I want to do is just crawl under the table and hide. Together, we created a plan. We started small with just one closet. Then we used a simple framework, the same one that I teach in my course, to sort through all of the what-if items and release the clutter and the guilt. By the time moving day came, she wasn't panicked. She was excited. She said, for the first time in years, I actually feel lighter, and that's what I want for you. Imagine walking into your new home, taking a deep breath, and feeling lighter. No clutter, no chaos, no second guessing. Imagine opening boxes filled with the items that you chose to keep, only the things that truly matter to you. That's what the Decluttered Move gives you. Clarity, calm, and confidence during one of life's most stressful seasons. So if you're ready to let go of the overwhelm and move forward with calm and confidence, I would love to walk alongside you, because you deserve to feel less stress and more peace. So tap that link to join me inside the Decluttered Move, and let's take this journey together, one calm, confident step at a time. I'll meet you there.